In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create landing pages and build an email list with Aweber. Start by opening Aweber and going to the quick menu. In the search field, type list so you can quickly find the list settings. Select the option to create a new list. This list is where new subscribers from your landing page will be stored, so take a moment to set it up correctly. First, enter your company name and your website. Use the name and website that your audience will recognize, since this information can appear in subscriber-facing areas and helps build trust. Then click Next. Now you will name your list. Enter a clear list name and add a short description. The name should make it obvious what the subscriber is signing up for, and the description can remind you of the purpose of this list later, especially if you create multiple lists. Click Next when you are ready. After that, choose your confirmation message settings. This controls how Aweber confirms subscriptions. Make sure your settings match the experience you want for your audience, since confirmation choices can affect both deliverability and how quickly someone is added to your list. Next, you will build the landing page. Go to Pages and Forms, then select Landing Pages. Click Create a Landing Page and choose a lead template. Pick a layout that matches your offer and keeps the sign-up process simple. Once the template loads, click the form on the page to edit its settings. Go to Submission and set your thank you page. This is where subscribers will be sent after they sign up, so choose a page that confirms the sign-up and gives clear next steps. When everything looks right, click Save and Exit, and then Publish. Publishing makes the landing page live and ready to collect subscribers. Finally, set up your welcome email automation. Go to Automations, then choose Workflow and select Create Workflow. Set the trigger to On Subscription, so the automation starts as soon as someone joins your list through the landing page. Drag in a send message block. Then select your welcome email from your drafts. This message should deliver what you promised, or explain what happens next. Save and exit. Then click Activate to turn the workflow on. That covers everything you need to know.